So today's MACH 2018 feature is from Star GB. I'm here with Alec. Alec, we're going to be looking at the SW20. This machine's going to be on show and cutting at the event, isn't it? Tell us a little bit about this model.
Yes, we're going to have two SW machines, the SW20 and the SW12 R2. This particular model will be doing a 316 stainless steel component at the show showing HFT.
And this has got a lot of axes on it, hasn't it? This is really a real production tool.
It is. If a customer's looking to reduce cycle time to the absolute minimum, this is a great machine in the 20mm class for that purpose.
Balance turning, balance milling.
For sure, we've got balance turning, balance milling, we've got super positioning mode, which means we can be machining two features at the same time using the Z1 and Z3 axes. We've got star motion control. All of these elements can reduce cycle time on customers' components.
So if you're an engineer, come into the show, you'll be able to see this cutting 316 and doing an impressive demo.
Absolutely.
Good stuff, Alec. Just remind us of where you are positioned at the show.
Hall 19, stand 520.
Good stuff. And remember, MTD will be filming live on Star's stand on the Thursday of the MACH week.